East 5124, turn left on Able, left on the parallel, ground point 7, good day.
Charlie, parallel ground, 5124, good day.
After tower, American 1382, 8 out for 22.
American 1382, LaGuardia Tower 22, number 3, wind 320 at 11, clear to land, traffic phone position runway 31.
Clear to land, American 1382, runway 22.
United 1030, LaGuardia Tower runway 31, full length line up, traffic land 22.
Line up runway 31, United 1030.
Any thoughts?
You're on Envoy 3402 over to departure.
Envoy 3402, affirmative, contact departure, good day.
Later.
East 5027, turn left, Charlie and Bravo, ground point 7.
Charlie, Bravo, ground point 7, AC 5027.
Do you manage getting onto the window, I think? How did you...
Hey, Tower, good afternoon, Mercury 2741, visual 22.
United 1030, runway 31, close takeoff, wind 32015.
Paper takeoff, runway 31, United 1030.
And Falcon 513, Sierra Kilo, LaGuardia Tower, close, wind 737 3, departure runway 31, line plane. Triple 1716, turn left on Able, left on the ground point 7, good day.
Sun ground.
Mercury 2741, Tower, you checking in?
Yeah, here we are, just inside Greco.
Mercury 2741, 22, clear to land number 2, wind 320 at 15, traffic phone position 31.
Clear to land runway 22, Mercury 2741.
United 347, Tower, did you check in also?